This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix 7-Eleven app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you three solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store on your device, and from here just search for 7-Eleven app. And guys, for the first solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the application. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now for the second solution, just go to your settings, guys. And then from here, just go to the apps. And then once you are on the apps, just tap on the 7-Eleven application. And now guys, just tap on the storage. And from here, I want you to make sure that you clear cache and also clear data. And then from there guys, you should be able to fix your issue with your 7-Eleven application. So now, if that doesn't work, for the third solution, just uninstall the app on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, guys, just go back to the Google Play Store. And now from here, just install the application again back on your device. And then from there, you should have a working 7-Eleven application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya!